crime free. In Jamaica and we're Jamaican for economy. No more breed lasting. Revelation set. Eat what we grow. Grow what we eat. It is good for our economy.
Welcome once again to AgroBuzz, our weekly agricultural program right here on Rain's Coffee Break, as we bring you more news, views, and interviews on developments in the agricultural and agro-industrial sector. Now this week, we turn the spotlight on a very important topic, that of protecting our agricultural sector by building a food-secure region for present and future generations. Now, as you may have heard, Jamaica has the honor of hosting the 11th Annual Caribbean Plant Health Directors CPDH Forum over the 4-day period, July 16 to 19 in Montego Bay. Yay for Jamaica. Now, this regional conference will attract participants from over 26 countries and promises to be an important and exciting one. And I'm sure they're going to be serving enough Jamaican products at this forum. Now, here to tell us more about this 11th CPDH Forum is none other than Mr. Dalton Hastings, Export Complex Manager of the Plant Quarantine Produce Inspection Branch. Good morning to you, Mr. Hastings. How's the morning?
Good morning, Doreen, and thanks for having me.
I hope you had a good Jamaican breakfast.
As usual, eat Jamaica.
Nice. Well, I say a big welcome to the Rain's Coffee Break and, of course, AgroBuzz. What is the Caribbean Plant Health Director's body and what is its overall aim?
Morning again, Doreen, morning listeners. Caribbean Plant Health Directors Forum is a group consisting of senior plant health directors within the Caribbean, and it is a collaborated effort of all regional, national plant health organizations and other international organizations such as FAO, which is Food and Agriculture, ICA, Inter-American Institute for Cooperation and Agriculture, academia such as the University of the West Indies, and other government bodies. And I say the aim of this body is to provide Caribbean countries with updated information in relation to plant health policies to better able them to protect against introduction of harmful pests and disease. And we have to protect the country.
Of course.
We have to
protect our crops, but to have good exports and everything. Right.
Exactly.
So tell us a little about some of the major accomplishments of the CPHD.
Well, one of the things I should say, firstly, is increase emergency preparedness. Like everything, you have to be able to protect yourself in the event. As much as you try to protect the country, you might have a pest introduction. Yeah. So with the ease of travel comes the increased volume, and the increased volume of people traveling means increase in the pest risk introduction.
Yeah.
So, pests can travel on your clothes, equipment, whatever. So we have developed our regional plant health policy, plant health plan, which better able us to respond in the event of a threat of pest outbreak. It tells you what to do, how to do it, and when. Yeah. So by looking at best practices regionally and internationally. We have they have also developed a regional plant health ID training where the officers on the ground better able to identify pests, which is of economic significance to the country.
Right.
And one of the main things I must also say that is the regional plant health officers training. In this field is a field where it's underground training. Yeah. You don't get this anywhere else. So once you come into work, you have to get training. So we have a regional training that all officers are exposed to the relevant sanitary and phytosanitary measures to better equip them to perform their duties. So you have to make the officers as competent as possible in performing their job.
Absolutely. Imagine it could be on your clothes, could be gone in your luggage and don't even realize it.
That's what I want people to understand. When you go on a farm, one movement, you can't see it, you can travel just with you.
Wow. Now, this is the first time that Jamaica is hosting this forum. What is the theme and the objectives of this meeting?
Well, the theme of this year's function is safeguarding plant health, protecting the environment. What I want to show people that yes, we have to put in all measures to protecting the plant health. However, we have to be mindful of our environmental obligation. We have to protect the country, the atmosphere. We have to ensure that whatever we are doing, we have to look at the best thing to use so as not to have a great impact on the environment itself.
Absolutely. So we're taking care of everything in the meantime.
Exactly, Doreen.
Now, I mentioned that over 26 countries will be coming for this conference. Who are some of the people and the groups who will be participating?
Well, all CARICOM member states, senior plant health directors, you have, as I said before, agricultural institutions such as FAO, ICA, research institutions such as CARDI, universities, and other government agencies. And as I said, you are looking at about 60 delegates coming into Jamaica, with over 30. It includes both CARICOM and non-CARICOM members. So it's a wide group.
It is. Sounds that way. So we're getting nice people coming in, staying over. So hotels going to benefit as well from this.
So that's why you want to see the linkage between agriculture and tourism. If we don't protect our country so we can feed the tourists, we have to import everything, right? And we don't want to do that.
No, when you're in Rome, you must do as the Romans do. So when you're in Jamaica, you must eat Jamaica food.
Wonderful.
So what are some of the highlights of the conference? Is just sit down and talk, or there's going to be some fun in there?
Put this way, it's a working group start from 8 all to 5. Trust me. As I said, one of the highlights is the collaborative effort of all member states in creating a platform for the exchange of expert views on international plant protection policy. These views will be used to develop effective approach to combat the various challenges in regard to plant pests and disease. And one of the next things what I want you to understand that we are operating based on the International Plant Protection Convention. It's our Bible. And one of the mandates of that international body is that all regions must have a regional plant health protection organization. We have not had that for years in the Caribbean, and coming out of this year's forum, you will have a vibrant and relevant RPP, or Regional Plant Health Protection Organization. That will be coming this year, and that is what everybody looking forward to see. As a Caribbean, we are coming together, representing the Caribbean as a whole. Like, when you move as a group, it is more effective, not just Jamaica. So that body will be coming this year, and I'm looking forward for that. I'm looking forward for that body.
I'm sure. So in a nutshell, as we wrap up, Mr. Hastings, tell us again when and where this conference will be.
The conference will be held over a 4-day period. We are at July 16 to 19 at Ibero Star Hotel in Montego Bay. And I might say, just permit me to say that this is an opportune time for our Jamaica to showcase the our National Plant Protection Organization, Plant Quarantine to be exact, and also to say that Plant Quarantine Unit is the body spearheading it, and we are the competent authority to deal with in the inspection and certification of all plant and planting materials. So if you're traveling young people, feel free, call the plant quarantine office. We will give you all information, and you don't have to smuggle or hide anything, because you might hide one fruit, and that fruit carries a pest that destroys the entire agricultural sector. So we just want you to be mindful of that.
I want to thank you so much for coming on this morning and highlighting what is going to be a very, very important conference. Mr. Dalton Hastings, continue to have a wonderful day.
Thank you very much, Doreen, and all the best to you.
All right. Very special guest this morning, Mr. Dalton Hastings, Export Complex Manager for the Plant Quarantine Produce Inspection Branch, and of course discussing about the annual Caribbean Plant Health Directors Forum, important conference for agriculture. Let us all continue to support our farmers by eating what they grow as they grow what we eat. Now, the Ministry of Industry, Commerce, Agriculture and Fisheries is reminding all stakeholders that if the item you wish to import is not listed on the import permit system, then a pest risk analysis must be done. Let's continue to work together to keep our agricultural sector pest free. Please, please, please. So more information on what's happening in the agricultural sector, please visit the ministry's website at micaf.gov.jm. Follow them on Twitter at MyCuff Jamaica, and check them on Facebook. And see you next week for another Agro Buzz.
Are you Jamaican product? When you see it on the shelf, don't depend on the countries. Try to help ourselves.